How to deactivate Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to deactivate your Facebook account, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, you want to make sure to tap the three lines option located at the top right hand corner of the screen. Then tap the gear icon that you can find it over here. Once you tap the gear icon over here, you'll find this option called Meta Account Center. Make sure to tap on it. As you tap on the option, over here you'll find this option known as Personal Details. Tap on that option again. Then go to Account Ownership and Control. And when you go to Account Ownership and Control, what you want to do is go to Deactivation or Deletion. And then select your Facebook account. And then tap on Deactivate Account. And then tap on Continue option. Enter the password. And then your Facebook account will get deactivated. This way you can deactivate Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.